We'll guide you through how to fix CapCut templates missing or not showing on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. CapCut templates are really convenient because essentially the editing is already done for you. All you need to do is go and add in your own media. You want to try pressing the update button in the top right like so to go and see if there's any update. If that doesn't solve it, it may be worth trying to access the templates from a different place. So open up a project you currently have in CapCut, go and see if you can see the option for templates there. If you can't, try doing is uninstalling it and reinstalling it. Consider backing up any projects if you want to keep them. Press search at the bottom and you can type in remove programs. Then you can press search at the top here, and what you want to do is go and type in CapCut like so. Press the three dots to the right and press uninstall. Press OK and it'll go and uninstall. Press complete. You can press search at the bottom and open up the store. Search for CapCut at the top and you can then click on it and we can go and press install. Hopefully templates is now showing up in here or while in a project. If it still isn't, as an alternative, it may be worth using the CapCut website. So you can search for CapCut, come to CapCut.com, go to a left and you can press templates and you can select them and use them from here.